Hey everyone, welcome back to Just For You Investments. It's fantastic to have you here once again, as we embark on another enlightening journey to uncover the secrets of the financial universe. Today, our adventure takes us to the most thrilling frontier of modern finance, the world of cryptocurrency. Full of opportunities, cryptocurrency is a realm that demands our understanding and attention. In this episode, we are going to crack open the complex shell of cryptocurrency terminology and reveal the soft, digestible core. We will sift through the jargon, the technicalities, and the misconceptions to present you with the most concise yet comprehensive guide to cryptocurrency. In particular, we'll be throwing a spotlight on two critical components of the crypto ecosystem: the crypto exchange and the crypto wallet. Imagine a crypto exchange as a bustling marketplace where digital currencies are bought, sold, and traded. Now think of a crypto wallet as a secure vault where you store your valuable digital coins. Confusing? Worry not. We are here to help you understand these two entities, their roles, and their importance in successful crypto trading. Remember, if you're new to the crypto space, understanding these concepts is not just beneficial, it's essential. These are the foundations upon which your cryptocurrency journey will be built. So gear up as we delve deeper into this exciting world to give you the knowledge you need to navigate it successfully. Let's get started. So, what exactly is the difference between a crypto exchange and a crypto wallet? Well, let's delve deep into this concept. Let's kick off our exploration with the first component, the crypto exchange. The simplest way to conceptualize a crypto exchange is as a digital trading platform that facilitates the buying, selling, and swapping of various cryptocurrencies. It shares quite a few similarities with the traditional stock market, the key difference being that it deals exclusively with digital assets. In such a virtual marketplace, you will find an array of cryptocurrencies. These range from the widely recognized ones such as Bitcoin and Ethereum to the less popular and volatile altcoins. The beauty of a crypto exchange lies in the sheer variety it offers. You can find a plethora of cryptocurrencies, each boasting its unique features and use cases, thus allowing you to diversify your portfolio according to your preferences and risk tolerance. Exchanges are more than just a marketplace. They are powerful platforms that enable users to perform a variety of trading actions. They offer different trading pairs, allowing you to swap one cryptocurrency for another. Additionally, they cater to different order types, giving you the flexibility to execute trade strategies that align with your financial goals. To tap into these benefits, you need to set up an account on a crypto exchange. Setting up an account on a crypto exchange involves a registration process that often requires the provision of personal details. This information is necessary to ensure compliance with various regulatory standards. These standards aim to prevent illegal activities such as money laundering and fraud. After your registration is approved, which often involves an identity verification process, you can proceed to deposit funds into your exchange account, thus paving the for-your trading journey. The safety of user funds is of utmost importance in the world of crypto exchanges. Consequently, reputable platforms go to great lengths to implement robust security measures. These measures include encryption techniques, two-factor authentication, and cold storage systems. But remember, choosing a credible and well-established exchange is crucial in minimizing potential risks and ensuring a safer trading experience. However, it's essential to choose a reliable and well-established exchange to minimize risks. Now let's talk about crypto wallets. Developed as a secure and convenient digital storage, a crypto wallet is essentially a digital pocket that allows its users to store, send, and receive different types of cryptocurrencies. Picture it as a personal bank account, only much safer. Unlike the conventional exchanges, wallets are not designed for trading purposes but for the secure management of your digital assets. There are several categories of crypto wallets, each one unique in its own way. These categories include hardware wallets, software wallets, and paper wallets. Each wallet type boasts its own set of advantages and certain considerations, forming a diverse spectrum under the crypto wallet's umbrella. The hardware wallets, just one of many types, are physical devices. They provide an additional layer of security by keeping your private keys, the one thing that grants access to your funds, offline. The beauty of these wallets lies in the fact that they ensure the private keys are never exposed to the internet, thereby significantly reducing the chances of cyber theft. The distinguishing factor between types of wallets is the concept of ownership. When you use a wallet, you have complete control over your private keys, the cryptographic keys that grant access to your funds. The use of crypto wallets ensures a higher level of security, but it also signifies that you're solely responsible for your wallet's safety, which can be a daunting task to some. This provides a higher level of security, but it also means you're solely responsible for your wallet's safety. Summarily, a crypto exchange is a digital marketplace for trading cryptocurrencies, whereas a crypto wallet offers secure storage and management for your digital assets. Cryptocurrencies, an innovative form of digital currency, are becoming increasingly popular in today's world. The use of a crypto exchange and a crypto wallet together serves as an all-encompassing approach to your foray into the world of cryptocurrency. An exchange permits buying, selling, and trading of different types, while a wallet provides a secure location for your assets. Utilizing both these tools enhances your crypto journey. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell.